They say legends never die, but some evolve into something far more brutal. Welcome to CARZ Trends, where today's thrill is the rebirth of a legacy. The BMW M3. Not just an icon of performance, but a symbol of everyday dominance, because this M badge doesn't sleep. It hunts men. Right from the first glance, the M3 means business. A bold kidney grille, yes, it sparked controversy. But behind it lies massive cooling power, feeding a twin turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six. The sound is mechanical aggression, the torque is relentless, and with up to 503 horsepower in the competition xDrive variant. This isn't just a sports sedan, it's a road-legal track missile. Launch it from a dig, and you'll hit 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. But straight-line speed is only part of the story. The M3 carves through corners like it's rewriting physics. Adaptive M suspension, staggered wheels, active differential. Everything is tuned for precision. Want rear-wheel drive purity? It's there. Need all-wheel drive traction? Flip the switch. It's all yours. Inside, the cockpit is as driver-focused as ever. Deep bolstered M seats hug you in place. The digital cluster and iDrive system fuse tradition with tech, while the optional carbon bucket seats scream motorsport. Every inch of the interior is functional, minimal, but brutally premium. You're not just driving, you're commanding. What truly sets the M3 apart is its duality. It's savage on back roads, but civilized in traffic. It roars when pushed, but cruises in comfort when needed. You can load your family in the back, grab groceries, then annihilate a canyon road without ever switching cars. This is where German engineering flexes hardest. Not in excess, but in balance. And while rivals chase trends, BMW defines its own. No fake engine noise needed here. No overblown graphics or gimmicks. Just real power, real balance, and real emotion. This is why the M3 remains the benchmark. It doesn't try to be everything for everyone. It just does what it was built to do, dominate. And add to that features like launch control, configurable drive modes, M-Drift Analyzer, and optional carbon ceramics. And you realize this is a machine built for people who live for the art of driving. Whether it's the manual transmission for purists or the competition xDrive for grip fiends, the M3 gives you options, and none of them are boring. And then from the Autobahn to the back roads of America, the M3 feels at home. It's fast, it's focused, and it never apologizes for being intense. BMW didn't just revive a badge. They redefined what a sports sedan could be. Again, this isn't just a car. It's a statement. In a world of noise, the M3 speaks in revs, grip, and clarity. And if you still think 4 doors can't be thrilling, drive one. You'll understand. NNN, because the M3 isn't chasing the past. It's outrunning it. NANN.